Hey everybody, welcome back. It is August 16th. It's Monday. It's about 4:30 and I've got 3.5 hours to get to where I'm going to. Wanted to talk a little bit about being comfortable. We weren't put here to be comfortable, or at least I wasn't. I was brought up in quite an uncomfortable manner, but that helped me to overcome some of the discomfort that I've been exposed to recently. I know we all have. I've been thinking specifically about conversations that I've had online with people in public that's caused a level of reflection, certainly a level of discussion that has gotten back to the point where some people may not even engage in conversation with me anymore. Because when you bring that level of truth to something, then it becomes a little bit more obvious that more and more of our views are slightly flawed. And how we respond, and even how we hear the response, is just based on a level of programming. If you don't believe that you're programmed, tell me how many days you can go without food, without shelter, without eating, without water, without discomfort, with discomfort. Or how about while experiencing a significant decrease in comforts, but still remaining 100% comfortable? How we remain in the face of adversity is daunting, because there are physical reactions that occur whenever someone causes a bit of drama. For an example, I recently told a story about where I pulled over to stop after encountering a conversation between two people in the front seat, myself driving the vehicle with someone else next to me and someone else behind them. And basically these two people know each other and they know me as well, but I'm really just a third party. So we were having a discussion, and some of the discomfort that was being experienced by the passenger was something that wasn't being heard as acknowledged by me. I even had to stop the car. I had to stop the car and say, look, the only way I can discuss this is if I stop the car, because you're not even hearing what you're saying. I could see this person and their eyes were red. You know, have you ever talked with someone and they get so angry that they literally, their eyes turn red? So angry you see red? That's how angry this person was. And the person in the back seat didn't want to become involved in this situation that was, to me, I thought it was a tantrum being thrown by one of the parties. Now, that kind of a reaction will occur in some cases when we're not at ease. And what I mean by that is, if, for an example, I'm not at ease and someone calls my name and I wasn't expecting it, I might drop everything that I was carrying. If I was doing something shady and someone called my name in the middle of the dark as I was trying to just do some kind of crazy things under the cover of darkness, and someone saw me, I would startle and I would turn around. Those are the things that anyone who is fearful can typically respond with right off the bat whenever they're fearful of being caught up in something that might not be a truth. To look at our own self, to really look at ourselves in the mirror, sometimes takes a level of looking at one another with a little bit more clarity. I hope this segment brought a little clarity, and I hope you enjoy your day. Peace, love, and all that old school stuff.